Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to the video, and today I am doing a much needed update to my YouTube and social media profile pictures. As you guys know, I made that profile picture probably, I don't know, a few years ago, so it's in desperate need of an update. So that's what we're doing today, but there's a little bit of a catch. So what I'm going to be doing is I've got two different profile pictures that I've made today. So this is the first one, of course, and then the second one will play in a couple minutes. And basically, in the comments, once this video is done, you guys get to vote on what one I actually use on YouTube and all my social medias in general. So it's up to you guys. Over the next month or so, I'm going to be kind of like updating this channel regarding like its intro, outro, you know, like a bunch of like banners and stuff, just a lot of branding stuff in general. So this is kind of the kickstart to that. I thought we would start with the profile picture, and I wanted to also mix it up by letting you guys choose what one you guys like best. Also, I just wanted to say I'm super sorry that I haven't uploaded for the past 2 weeks. I've been really busy trying to get set up to move back to college, and also I've been editing for some other channels, but I also wanted to let you guys know that there won't be another new video next week because that is when I move in, but there should be one after that. Okay, so for this first artwork, I wanted to do something very like head-on, because I think my old profile picture and just some other ones that I've tested in the past, my character was usually like looking to the side. Not that there's anything wrong with it, I just thought I would try something more like head-on. So basically, I've got me holding a pencil and, you know, looking at the screen, kind of like all my other profile pictures, but this was the very first profile picture that I made, and I wanted to keep the general design of it pretty similar, so I go with my classic light blue shirt, sky blue shirt, and the pencil that I'm always holding, and you know, I keep my hair the same, I keep my eyes the same. The only thing I'm really changing in this is the posing, and then of course doing it digitally, and now I have a lot more experience doing digital artwork, so I think this is turning out a lot better than my original profile picture, and that's of course why I'm updating it. And now to just finish up this artwork, I end up, you know, putting in all the shadows, and then I put in this like bright yellow highlight coming from the top right, and this is something that I more recently picked up, was adding like this really bright highlight coming from one area of the image, and then using the gradient tool to kind of make it fall onto the character, and I think it looks really good, and I'm going to keep doing that more into the future. Okay, so here's the final product of the first trial of the profile pictures. So this is going to be number 1, and the next one is going to be number 2. Okay, so for the second one, I wanted to try something pretty similar to what like my current profile picture is, basically my old one, but I wanted to, of course, give it an update, give it the bright new colors and stuff that I can now do in digital artwork, but I also wanted to move, I guess, the positioning of my character and where the pencil is. So I, instead of having the pencil basically on my back, which was where it was before, I kind of put it on like on the front of my shoulder, and now you can see like basically all of it. And then instead of having my hand on my hip like my old profile picture, I gave myself a peace sign, you know, just add a little bit of like personality to it. And along with that, I changed like my eyebrows and the kind of the posing of the character, and it made it a little bit more like exciting. Also, since I pretty much kind of covered everything regarding these profile pictures, I thought we would talk really briefly, I guess, about like the future videos coming in this channel. And I talked about this a few videos back when I was reacting to some of my old videos, and I saw a lot of your guys' comments, and you guys definitely requested more of my animated storytime videos, and I really like making those, and I think it's a lot of fun to tell cool stories from my life. So the thing is with that, so if I did decide to go down that path, the thing is those take a very long time to make, those animated storytime videos, so you'd probably get about like one of those a month, and then to kind of fill the space on my channel from when you're not getting videos would probably be like more simple videos, kind of like this, where it's like a speed art or something, or I'm doing something that doesn't take quite as long to record and edit. So I guess just let me know your guys' thoughts on that. So if you wanted to really see this channel turn into like an animated storytime video where you get to learn more about me and you get to see my art style kind of prosper in animation, I would totally be down to do that, but the other videos would probably be a little bit more simple. So yeah, I guess definitely over these past few months especially, I've been kind of contemplating my content and what I really want to make on this channel, because I've been doing this for 4 years, but I've definitely been kind of back and forth on what kind of content I want to make on this channel, and now I kind of want to see what everyone else's input is and really kind of figure out what I want to keep making. Okay, so this is the end of the profile picture number 2. So this one is all finished, you know, put in the highlight, of course, just like the last one, finished with the shadows and everything like that. And I finally finished this. So this is the final product of number 2. And then now I'm going to go ahead and put up both number 1 and number 2 so you guys can compare them, kind of see what ones you guys would rather see on my YouTube and social medias. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and leave a comment down below, either saying number 1 or number 2, and in like a week or so, or maybe a few days, I'm going to tally up all the comments and update my channel with the most popular profile picture. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know your guys' favorite profile picture and what you guys want to see next on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications for more awesome art videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.